If you are planning to buy an SUV in 2026, there is one question that matters more than horsepower, screens, or fancy features. Can you trust it long term? A vehicle might look impressive on day one, but real value shows up years later when it still runs smoothly, does not drain your wallet, and does not leave you stranded. Reliability is what separates a good SUV from a smart purchase. That is exactly what this video is about. Today we are breaking down the most reliable SUVs coming in 2026. These are vehicles known for durability, proven engineering, and brands that consistently deliver peace of mind. If you want something that will stay strong year after year, this list is for you. In our first list is the Lexus TX 500h. This SUV feels like it was built with long-term ownership in mind from the very beginning. Lexus does not rush its engineering, and that shows clearly in the TX 500h. The hybrid system is smooth, quiet, and designed to reduce stress on major components over time. Everything about this SUV feels controlled and refined, which usually means fewer problems later. Inside, the cabin feels solid and carefully assembled, with materials that are made to last rather than just look good for a short time. Lexus is known for its strict quality checks, and that reputation carries over here. The TX 500h is not trying to impress with extreme performance. Instead, it focuses on balance, comfort, and reliability. This is the kind of SUV you buy when you want peace of mind every time you start the engine. It is dependable, predictable, and built for people who plan to keep their vehicle for many years without worrying about constant repair. Now, the second number is the Toyota Highlander Hybrid. This SUV has already proven itself over time, and the 2026 version continues that strong legacy. Toyota's hybrid systems are known for their durability, and many owners drive them well past high mileage with very few issues. The Highlander Hybrid is especially appealing because it combines reliability with everyday practicality. It is comfortable, easy to live with, and efficient without being complicated. Toyota focuses on proven technology rather than risky new ideas, which plays a huge role in long-term reliability. The powertrain works smoothly and consistently, reducing wear and tear on important components. Inside, the layout is simple and functional, making it easier to maintain over the years. This SUV fits perfectly into family life, commuting, and road trips without demanding much attention. If you want something that quietly does its job year after year, the Highlander Hybrid remains one of the most trusted choices you can make. Now let's move to number 3, the Mazda CX-90 PHEV. Mazda has taken a careful approach with this SUV, and that mindset works in favour of reliability. Instead of overloading it with unnecessary complexity, Mazda focuses on smooth operation and thoughtful design. The plug-in hybrid system feels well integrated, not experimental. It delivers power in a natural way that reduces strain on the drivetrain. Mazda's attention to detail is noticeable in how the vehicle feels on the road and how the interior is put together. Buttons, controls, and materials all feel solid and durable. This SUV is designed to age well rather than chase short-term trends. Owners who value a premium feel without the usual luxury brand worries will appreciate that balance. The CX-90 PHEV proves that you can enjoy modern technology while still prioritizing long-term dependability. It feels like a vehicle built with care, patience, and a clear focus on ownership experience over time. Coming in at number 4 is the Honda Pilot TrailSport. Honda's reputation for reliability is well earned, and the Pilot TrailSport builds on that trust with added capability. This SUV is designed for families who want to go beyond paved roads without sacrificing durability. Honda keeps things simple where it matters most, which helps reduce long-term issues. The engine and drivetrain are known for consistency and longevity, especially when properly maintained. The TrailSport version adds toughness without unnecessary complexity, which is a smart move for reliability. Inside, everything feels practical and sturdy, designed to handle real-life use. This is not an SUV that feels fragile or overly delicate. It feels ready for years of daily driving, road trips, and outdoor adventure. The Pilot TrailSport gives drivers confidence that their vehicle can handle challenges without creating future headaches, making it a strong and trustworthy choice. At number 5, we have the Toyota 4Runner. This SUV has built its reputation the hard way by surviving tough conditions and high mileage year after year. The 4Runner is not focused on flashy technology or constant redesign. Instead, it relies on proven mechanical parts that have already earned trust. That conservative approach is exactly why it remains one of the most reliable SUVs on the market. The 2026 model continues to prioritize strength and durability over trend. Everything about it feels solid and intentional. Owners often choose the 4Runner because they want something that will not let them down in difficult situations, whether it is rough terrain, bad weather, or long-term ownership. This SUV is built to handle it all. If you value toughness and reliability above everything else, the 4Runner continues to be one of the safest long-term choices available. Now the sixth number is the Kia Telluride. The Telluride represents how much Kia has improved in recent years. This SUV is well built, comfortable, and surprisingly dependable. Over time, it has proven that it is not just a stylish option, but a reliable one as well. Kia has focused on better materials, improved engineering, and stronger quality control, and the Telluride benefits from all of that. It feels solid on the road and well assembled inside. The technology is modern, but not overwhelming, which helps keep things reliable over the long run. Families appreciate how easy it is to live with and how rarely it demands attention beyond regular maintenance. The Telluride shows that reliability does not always have to come with a high price tag, making it an appealing option for practical buyers. Number 7 on our list is the Lexus GX 550. This SUV blends luxury with serious durability in a way few vehicles can. The GX 550 is built on a strong platform that prioritizes long-term strength. Lexus focuses heavily on build quality, and it shows in every detail. The materials feel durable, the construction feels solid, and nothing seems overly delicate. This is an SUV designed to last, not just impress. It avoids unnecessary gimmicks and sticks to proven engineering, which is a big reason for its reliability. The GX 550 appeals to buyers who want refinement without sacrificing toughness. It feels like a vehicle that will still feel confident and dependable many years down the road, making it a trusted choice for long-term ownership. What all these SUVs have in common is a focus on consistency. They are not chasing trends or pushing untested ideas. They are built by manufacturers who understand that reliability is earned over time, not advertised. Whether it is Toyota's proven hybrids, Lexus's strict quality standards, Honda's balanced engineering, Mazda's thoughtful design, or Kia's steady improvement, each of these vehicles brings something dependable to the table. Finally, the number 8 on our list is Hyundai Palisade Hybrid. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid feels like a smart evolution of an already well-loved family SUV. It keeps everything people liked about the Palisade: space, comfort, and upscale design, while adding the efficiency modern buyers are actively looking for. On the outside, the Palisade Hybrid maintains its bold, confident presence with subtle updates that make it look more refined rather than flashy. Inside, it's where the SUV really shines. The cabin feels calm and premium, with high-quality materials, a clean dashboard layout, and plenty of room across all 3 rows. Adults can actually sit comfortably in the 3rd row, which isn't something every mid-size SUV can claim. The hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, quiet acceleration and noticeably better fuel economy than the standard gas version, especially in city driving. It's not built to feel sporty, but it's confident, composed, and easy to live with, exactly what most families want. Hyundai's latest safety and driver assistance features come standard, making daily drives and long trips less stressful. Overall, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid is a practical, well-rounded SUV that balances comfort, efficiency, and value. For families who want a spacious 3-row vehicle without sacrificing fuel savings or modern tech, it's an option that makes a lot of sense. Choosing a reliable SUV is about more than avoiding repairs. It is about peace of mind. It is about knowing your vehicle will start every morning, handle long trips without worry, and still feel solid years later. The SUVs on this list are built for people who value trust as much as comfort and performance. If you are looking ahead to 2026 and want something you can rely on, these 7 options are among the smartest choices you can make. Thanks for watching, and if reliability matters to you, make sure to keep this list in mind before making your next SUV purchase. We will see you in the next video.